In this video, I'm going to show you how to make Lao spicy mushrooms, or in Lao we call it Jeow Het. First, you want to grill or bake your mushrooms at 325 degrees or lower. You also want to grill or bake some red chili peppers. When your red chili peppers are cooked, they should become a little bit soft. So you just want to take them out and put them in a mortar, or in Lao we call it kok. And you also want to do the same thing with your mushrooms. Once they're cooked, they will become soft. So once you have your red chili peppers in your mortar or kok, you're going to add a little bit of salt. And then just smash the red chili peppers. It should look like this once it's smashed well. Next, you're going to slice up your mushrooms into thin slices. Then next, add them to the crushed red chili peppers and smash them well together. Next, you're going to add fermented fish sauce, or in Lao we call it padek. This is optional. You don't have to add it if you do not want to. Add some fish sauce and MSG. MSG is optional. You do not have to add it if you do not want to. Mix the ingredients well to your mushrooms and red chili peppers. Add a little bit salt. Next, you're going to want to taste it and make any adjustments to fit your taste. For me, I'm just going to add a little bit more MSG. And then I'm going to add a little more fish sauce. And also a little bit more padek, or fermented fish sauce. I have here some chopped up green onions and some mint leaves. We're going to add that to our spicy mushrooms. Mix them well. And that is how you make Jeow Het, or spicy mushrooms. This dish can be enjoyed with sticky rice. It is so delicious and yummy.